Yo, 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 what up, Jesus peeps? You're just in time for part 2 of the series, Designed by God, the Perfection of the Human Body. Get pumped. The phrase, made in the image and likeness of God, is often understood as a literal meaning than a metaphorical one. When examining this phrase in a metaphorical way, the most important words to focus on the idea are image and likeness. Now, image can be thought of as humans appearing the way God appears, but an image can also be an idea. We are of God, His creation, a sculpture with the identity from God. Every person on earth is identifiable as God's because we share the identity of truth, beauty, and goodness. The word likeness points to the nature of God, or His essence. We as humans have intellectual souls that inspire curiosity to dig for answers that surpass the confines of earth. St. Augustine said, "Man's excellence consists in the fact that a God made him to his own image by giving him an intellectual soul, which raises him above the beasts of the fields." Our likeness to God is created through our intellectual souls. What does this have to do with science, you ask? Well, the ability to even think about this question sets you apart from the rest of creation. You don't really see a paramecium or a spider thinking about these questions, now do you? That would be really strange. Alright, let's start out with the brain, an organ that is composed of white and gray matter and is made up of multiple structures, all wired through tiny little cells. These small cells transfer signals to other cells through things called synapses. Now, in these synapses, there contains a chemical known as a neurotransmitter that goes from one axon to a dendrite and then goes through each individual thing all throughout the brain. Now, synapses make it possible for you to move your arm to reach for your coffee or to lift your leg when you're doing knee kicks for Terry Gary. Our brain is able to compute information at speeds ranging from anywhere from 1 mile per hour to 268 miles per hour. This incredible organ is why Dr. Harub, the author of The Human Nervous System, Evidence of Intelligent Design, believes there is physical evidence for God's existence. The evidence is on a cellular level, and it is this: all cells come from other cells and do not spontaneously appear from nothing. The brain is a complex organ that we are still trying to understand. The makeup of this organ, as complicated as it is still based on cells that develop from other cells. Our identity is tied to our Creator even on a cellular level.